All right, so buckle in. This was going to take a lot of paper.
Yes.
Okay. So what's going on here?
Function divided by function.
Quotient rule, also the chain rule, right? But I want to avoid the quotient rule. I just don't like fractions and fractions, which is eventually what might happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this, and I'll call it f of x as f of t, thank you. F of t equals 3t plus 12 times negative 6t squared plus 3t minus 10 to the negative 5. Notice this has that parentheses over here because it's all of that times the bottom, correct?
Yes.
So, what I did is I kind of just rewrote it because I don't want to use the quotient rule. But now I see I have to use product rule because here's your one function, here's your other function. Okay, so we have f prime of t. Remember, doing the product rule is taking the derivative, which is the first times the derivative of the second. So all I'm going to write is that I need to take that derivative. So I just put ddx, saying take the derivative. Plus the second, I'm going to run out of room, times the derivative of the first, which, hey, go ahead and take that derivative. Isn't that a quick derivative? 3. You could write ddx of that. Wouldn't hurt. But if it's an easy derivative, take it. So now I just have to work on this. So what is u?
Negative 6t squared plus 3t minus 10.
Plus 3t minus 10. So what is f of u?
U to the negative.
U to the negative 5. So now f prime u prime, what's the derivative of f? Negative 5u to the negative 6. Now when I take the derivative of u, you better parentheses there. What will I get there? Negative 12t plus 3. Parentheses because it's all times that derivative, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now here's where we have to get tricky. We got to watch our algebra. This 5, negative 5, it stays up top, so does this, correct? Don't agree with that? That's going to go back down because it's negative power. Don't take that 5 down with it. That 5 does not have a negative power, negative exponent. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and distribute a negative 5. That'll give me 60t minus 15 over u to the 6th. Because those two stay up top, u goes down. Which is 60t minus 15 all over negative 6t squared plus 3t minus 10 to the 6th. You with me so far?
Oh, wait, there's more.
Oh yeah, we're not done. That's just this, correct? Go back up to my derivative here. So I have f prime of t is 3t, what was it, minus 12 plus 12?
Plus 12.
Times this, 60t minus 15 all over negative 6t squared plus 3t minus 10 to the 6th. Plus, can I go ahead and clean this second half up? 3 stays up. This goes back down. We're getting there. We still have a ways to go. Because this cleans up. And the more you do these, you will see how easy it is. You'll get the hang of how to clean up. Because here, let's multiply the tops, because that's a fraction. Okay, so when I multiply that, I'm going to get 180t minus 45t
It's 180
plus,
t squared.
what?
180 t squared.
Oh, thank you. Okay, plus, let's see, you can do 60 times 12, but I'm just going to do the times 6, right? Times 20? Minus, let's do 15 times 12. And carry the 1, 3, 0, 5, 1. 180? Yeah? That is all over negative 6t squared plus 3t minus 10 to the 6th. Plus 3 over negative 6t squared plus 3t minus 10 to the 5th. Oh, but they're just so close. In fact, those denominators are only off by 1 power, right? So, boy, that makes it easy to find a common denominator. Okay, so I have this first part, which is 180t squared. Let's go ahead and combine like terms. 720, you can go off the side if you need to. Subtract 45. Right, borrow. Oops. 5, 6, 675. There's that first term. Plus 3 over all that. So it just needs one of those. So up here I have 180t squared plus 675t minus 180. Now over here I have 3 times all that. Yes?
Yep.
Which is minus 18t squared plus 9t minus 30. When I distribute my 3. That is all over negative 6t squared plus 3t minus 10 to the 6th. Almost done. Let's combine like terms. 180 minus 18. 162t squared. Combine my t's, I get 684t minus 210 all over negative 6t squared plus 3t minus 10 to the 6th. Whew. And even then, sometimes you can factor out a constant and cancel one of them out. We can't in this case, so we can see that that's not going to be a 3 and a 10 no matter what I pull out. Yes? Wow.
Let's call it a day.